In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address shown on your LinkedIn profile. If you want to update the email that appears in your profile contact information, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. This can be useful if you've changed your primary email, want to use a more professional address, or simply want to make sure people are seeing the correct contact details when they visit your profile. To get started, log into LinkedIn and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on the Me icon. This opens the menu connected to your account and profile settings, and it's the starting point for making profile-related changes like this one. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Contact Info hyperlink. Click on that to open the section where LinkedIn stores the contact details that are visible from your profile. This area includes things like websites, phone numbers if you've added them, and of course your email information. After the Contact Info window opens, select Edit Contact Info. This will allow you to make changes instead of just viewing what's already listed. From here, click on your email address to manage the current email settings attached to your account. Next, choose Add Email Address. LinkedIn will then ask you to enter the new email address you want to add. Type in your new email carefully to avoid mistakes, since even a small typo could prevent you from receiving messages or verification emails properly. You'll also be asked to enter your password to confirm the change. This is a standard security step, and it helps make sure only you can update your account details. Once you've entered the new email address and your password, submit the information. After that, the new email will be added to your LinkedIn account. From there, you can select that email to show as your contact info on your profile. This is the key final step if your goal is not just to add a new email, but to actually display it for others to see when they check your profile. As a quick tip, make sure the email you choose is one you regularly monitor, especially if you use LinkedIn for networking, job opportunities, or professional outreach. Keeping your contact information current helps people reach you more easily and keeps your profile looking up to date. And that's all it takes to change the email address shown on your LinkedIn profile.